Welcome to AgriBytes, a moment in agriculture. My name is Cody Maxwell, Fannin County Extension Agent for Agriculture and Natural Resources with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service. Well, November 2nd was a Texas holiday, the opening day of deer season. I know many people that spend a lot of quality time in the woods this weekend and are looking forward to spending time in the woods as we go throughout our hunting season. I'm here today to talk to you about food plots. Now, as we look in the area that we're in right here, we're right out in front of a cedar thicket, an area that has some open land that's very suitable for us to plant a food plot in. Now, as we look at our deer are browse animals. Food plots provide supplemental forage that is very nutritious. When we look at the makeup of what our food plots provide to us, we utilize our cool season grasses and cool season legumes within those food plots. The grass varieties that we look to are wheat, oats, possibly some ryegrass, maybe some cereal rye or triticale. Within those legume varieties, we look at clover, vetch, possibly some winter pea. Now, when we look at where we've been at here in Texas, through the latter part of summer into our fall months, deer are browse animal. They're looking for nutritious quality of forbs or some grasses. So we can provide that supplemental forage through these food plots. And again, it's very nutritious in the quality of these food plots that we provide. We've had a lack of forage. We've had a lack of forbs throughout this latter part of summer into our fall, beginning of winter. So it's very important to consider food plots in terms of our deer management. We can certainly help you out with the types of food plots, the different grasses, the legumes, planting methods, soil fertility, utilization, and productivity of these food plots. Appreciate you tuning in to this week's episode of AgriBytes. Cody Maxwell, Fannin County Extension Agent for Agriculture and Natural Resources with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension. Wishing you happy deer season.